everyone, we have prepared latest market updates for August 22nd, 2022. Debt-ridden Cineworld considers bankruptcy. Cineworld, the world's second-largest movie theater operator, is facing possible bankruptcy as it tries to reduce debts that have grown during the pandemic, it warned Monday. The owner of Regal Cinemas in the United States, which had net debt of $8.9 billion at the end of 2021, said last week that the lack of blockbusters is discouraging audiences and affecting cash flow. The market value of the British company, which is still surviving a failed takeover by a Canadian rival, was only £56 million, $66 million at the close of trading on Friday. The company has already said it is considering ways to potentially restructure its balance sheet and said Monday that one option is a voluntary Chapter 11 bankruptcy filing in the United States. Shares of the London-listed company fell to an all-time low Friday after the Wall Street Journal first reported the potential move. Cineworld's shares were volatile in early trading at about 4.3 pence. That compared to a peak of 310 pence in 2017. Ethereum more than doubled in price. The cryptocurrency Ethereum, soon after reaching its lowest price in mid-June, switched to growth and showed much better results than Bitcoin. On June 19th, Ethereum added more than 100% in price. According to analysts, Bitcoin reached a low price of $17,600 and has since risen 31%, while Ethereum, which fell to $880.9, has risen 106%. Ethereum is currently trading at $1,800. Investors' optimism is due to Ethereum's upcoming algorithm change. The blockchain is expected to switch to a proof-of-stake model on September 15th, doing away with mining. Analysts also speculated that Vitalik Buterin's cryptocurrency could take the $200,000 bar. The only negative factor was said to be the delay in the transaction to proof-of-stake. Earlier, Ethereum creator Vitalik Buterin said that the network update called Merge will take place on September 15th. As a result, the cryptocurrency's classic mining will be disabled and owners will be offered to earn an Ether with the help of staking. Gold falls amid uncertainty about the Fed rate. On Monday, gold prices fell further amid continued uncertainty over the Federal Reserve's course to tighten monetary policy, while copper prices fell amid new production problems in major importer China. Spot gold prices fell 0.1% to $1,745.46 an ounce, and gold futures fell 0.2% to $1,759.90 an ounce. Meanwhile, copper futures fell 0.5% to $3.6520 a pound. Red metal prices were hit hard by a slowdown in industrial activity in China as Beijing's tough policy led to plant closures in major industrial centers. Prices retreated last week as hawkish comments from several Fed officials suggested that the central bank would likely hike interest rates rapidly to combat overheated inflation. Given that the comments came amid data showing some easing of inflation in the U.S., traders began to question how the Fed would tighten policy at its next meeting. The data show that traders were almost evenly split between a 50 and 75 basis point Fed rate hike at the September meeting. Soft inflation numbers initially tilted this trend toward a 50 basis point rate hike.